In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Google Fonts in the email builder inside GoHighLevel. To begin, you'll want to navigate to your GoHighLevel dashboard. Once you're logged into GoHighLevel, you're going to start by clicking on the Marketing tab. You'll find this on the left-hand side of your screen. The Marketing section is where you can manage everything related to your email campaigns, social media connections, and other marketing tools available within GoHighLevel. This is a crucial first step because it takes you directly to the area where you can see all your marketing activities neatly organized. Next, within the Marketing section, you'll want to click on Emails. This will direct you to where you manage both your email templates and campaigns. Emails are a powerful communication tool in your marketing arsenal. Within the Email section, locate Campaigns. Clicking on Campaigns will show you all the different email campaigns you're currently running, as well as any drafts or scheduled emails you're working on. From here, find and click on an untitled campaign name that you have or want to edit. If you're creating a new campaign, this is where you would start editing or renaming your campaign. For this demonstration, we'll proceed with a campaign you've already initiated but not finalized. Now that you're in the campaign editor, click on Start from Scratch. This will give you a blank canvas to create your email from the ground up, ensuring you can customize various elements without any predefined constraints. It's an excellent feature whenever you want full creative control over your email design. With your canvas ready, it's time to focus on the font customization, which is key to making your email stand out. Click on Highlight, which you'll find in the email editor's toolbar. This allows you to select the text you want to update. After selecting your text, your next step is to click on Courier New. This is where you can start incorporating Google Fonts into your email. While Courier New is a standard font, selecting this allows you to see where the font options lie within GoHighLevel's builder. Although GoHighLevel might not have the ability to pull in all fonts directly from Google, selecting different fonts in the builder will provide you with a practical insight into how your emails will look to your recipients. Exploring different fonts can give your emails a distinctive look and make them more engaging for receivers. By following these steps, you ensure your emails not only communicate the right message, but also appeal visually to your audience, enhancing readability and engagement. Experiment with different fonts, sizes, and styles to find the best match for your brand identity and audience preferences. Thank you for watching, and now you should be ready to add a creative flair to your emails using fonts within GoHighLevel.